It's Cassandra from Passport and Soul. Today, we're talking about 4 must-do activities for first-time visitors to London. At Passport and Soul, we help travelers of color learn how to travel soulfully and with ease. London is such a great cosmopolitan city that we love it. I often say it reminds me of our hometown New York, but with better accents. There's so many things to do in London that these activities that I'm going to talk about will whet your appetite to return to London again and again. So let's get to it. Number 1, visit Brixton. What's not to like about Brixton? You've got colorful street art, great bars and restaurants. You can get yourself a shape up, get your hair braided. There's Electric Avenue, just like in the song, and there's shopping. And the Market Row is reminiscent of shopping on 125th Street in Harlem. Brixton is also the home to the Black Cultural Archives, and their mission is to collect, preserve, and celebrate the histories of people of color of African and Caribbean descent in the UK. One of my favorite places in Brixton was Pop Brixton. It's an event venue made up of old shipping containers, and it has bars and restaurants and spaces to hang out. And because it's in the heart of Brixton, you're going to find great food from all over the diaspora. Number 2, afternoon tea. I don't know why, but I am completely obsessed with having afternoon tea in London. You get to dress up or dress down, depending on the venue. There's great food to be had and a wide selection of teas. I'm usually partial to a Darjeeling and Earl Grey blend myself. And besides, who doesn't like to have an excuse to put on a fascinator? As you can see from the pictures, we've thoroughly enjoyed having afternoon tea each and every time we visited. Stay tuned to the Passport and Soul channel because soon we'll have a video about our absolute hands down favorite afternoon tea experience. Of course, being London, there's 1,000,001 places to experience afternoon tea. So I'd suggest starting by figuring out whether or not you want to have a low-key or fancy experience and go from there. Because you can easily Google to find out about different venues, their menus, pricing, tea selection, and pretty much anything you'd like to know about the afternoon tea experience. Number 3, look for Black child promotions. They sell books that speak to the heart of the Black experience throughout the diaspora. And they're always ready and happy to engage in lively discussion. Check out our short little video of when we visited them in London.
Here we are in London, all the way from New York with Black Child Promotions. This is one of the best things to see in central London. Everyone needs to come here, everybody.
It's all power to the people, peace and love, and education.
Ditto.
You can message them on Instagram to find out where they'll be. We've usually found them by the Oxford Street station of the Tube. And last but not least, number 4, visit Borough Market. If you enjoy having a ton of food choices all at once, then Borough Market is for you. It's been around since 1756. Oh, that is a mighty long time. There's a farmer's market section where you can buy your fresh fruits and veggies. And there's also the Borough Market kitchen where you can eat cake and pastries and food from around the world. Much like Pop Brixton, it's a great space to be able to eat, relax, and hang out. And as you can see from the pictures, it's got some really great and interesting architecture. So there you have it. 4 great activities that you can do as a person of color when visiting London for the very first time. I'll link to the places that I've mentioned in this video in the notes section. Of course, I'm curious, what activities do you want to try for your very first trip to London? Let me know in the comments section. This was Cassandra from Passport and Soul. Until next time.